Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I woke up this morning and just feel like how the weather is feeling. Feel like just wrapped up and be cozy inside. My voice is getting better, as you guys can hear. I took some NyQuil last night before I go to bed and I think that's helping. Yeah, so my voice is getting a little bit better. The weather outside though is looking awful. It's raining, it's dark, it's sad, and I just want to wrap up inside and drink some hot chocolate every other hour. Okay, that's just how I feel. I've gone 1 cup so far. Maybe I'll do another before the day ends. And I've been eating bread pudding. Funny enough, Jen stopped over earlier with 2 persons with her, and they all had bread pudding and coffee and hot chocolate, and it was just nice to see everybody eating and laughing and enjoying the bread pudding. So it's almost finished, so that's a good thing. It's almost finished. I made, what did I make this morning? I made pancakes and egg because Tyler requested pancake for breakfast. They're taking a nap right now and I'm starting off dinner. It's really chilly outside, so I decided that I am gonna make some soup. So I'm making some Jamaican soup for dinner today. So I'm gonna do some chicken soup, pumpkin chicken soup for dinner. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what you're making for dinner today. I wanted to make the soup yesterday, but because we went on the road yesterday, and you know when I go on the road, that's a deal breaker for me and coming back to cook. That's just a no-go. So I am gonna make the soup right now. I'm actually gonna pick up Sarah from her nap first though and feed her, and then I'm gonna head to the soup. So if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Love you guys, and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and all that good stuff. You guys will see the rest of the family as the day goes by. As the vlog goes by
and the day goes by. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night. This is Sunday. This is a...
Why is he scaring y'all though? Why?
I mean, I'm scared. I'm not in Halloween mode. You're scaring with this. That looks like Snails movie.
Babe!
Mama?
Anyway guys, this is a Sunday. This is the last Sunday.
That you're scaring them because if
This
the
boy
things on your
talks.
back was in front, you will look a little bit like a moon.
Est-ce que tu sais c'est quoi un moulin à parole?
Oui.
C'est Tyler. Enlève-toi, t'es debout. Arrête d'être debout sur le canapé.
Papa just tell him to stop standing up in the couch. If you are wondering, what did he just say in French? Anyway, finish talk to the face. Before we were interrupted by the liquor parrot.
Blah 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 blah. I need to find him a nickname.
You're not gonna find him.
Find him a nickname. Somebody that talk a lot.
You don't want the Jamaican nickname. You know what we give Jamaicans who talk a lot?
Tyler?
What we call them when they talk a lot?
Tyler?
No.
What is
They're
it?
a chatterbox.
So
don't
Tyler
let somebody call you a
chatterbox?
chatterbox. It's not a nice nickname.
No, I want to find him a nickname, not like chatterbox, like find him a character, like a cartoon character.
Parrot.
Not parrot.
Polly parrot.
So somebody like in a cartoon that
I don't know anybody in a cartoon that talk.
to find like for side.
No,
for
because he needs to calm with this talking. So we're not gonna find him a nickname. If we find him a nickname, then it's gonna stick.
Oh.
No nickname.
Rabbit, like bunny rabbit.
No nickname. baby boy said, roll over. Over. And the arrows over and one fell out.
There's my boy in the kitchen. When they make dumpling.
And then hiccuping.
You're hiccuping.
Yeah.
What you gonna do? Tell me.
First I'm going to roll it.
Mm-hmm.
Then when I roll it, I'm going to scrape it like a sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Then after you drop it in there.
Very good. But you don't drop it hard, okay?
I took it off.
Yes, that's enough.
Mama.
Reach that for me, please, honey.
Anika.
And sign on there, please, before you make the call hang up.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour, Connor.
Happy birthday to you, Connor Banana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Connor. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Tell Connor happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Connor.
Look where I find her. What you doing? Hey you. Hey you. Say hello, fam. What are you doing? Who is that? Ruben. Okay. Where's Rocky? Show me Rocky. Where's Rocky? Who is this? Who is this one? Chase. Wow. You're playing Paw Patrol. She's playing Paw Patrol in her brother's room. Bye bye. See you later. Hello. You want to get down? Okay, get down. Take me down, please, Mama. Take me down, please, Mama. Very good. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're studying your map?
Yes.
Okay.
Mama, can you please
Mama is cooking. What's the game?
Is that I need to tell you one country that is here and you need to find it.
Oh Lordy, that ain't gonna work. I'm too far away. I tell you and you find it. Okay, fine. Canada. Oh la la.
Give you one a bit hard.
Find Japan. Japan. Oh la la. Oh.
Tell me one island that is here, for example.
I don't even know it there. Hold on. Fine. Corée du Sud.
Corée?
C'est South Korea. C'est en bas. C'est ici.
Ah, d'accord.
Ok. Fine.
You also can see
Andorre.
Andorre.
C'est Andorre. Andorre. Andorre ou Andorre?
Andorre.
Andorre.
Why don't see Andorre? Andorre.
Bravo. Ok, c'est parti. You guys, there goes dinner for tonight. Finish making soup, thick and nice, just the way we like it. Babe like his soup with not a lot of fandangles, so does Tyler. So hence why I don't have much things in the soup. But it's finished cooking right now. Ready for teeth and tongue. Look. Let's go. Bye. Ready? Tell Pace bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Blow them kiss. Mwah. Louis Hamilton.
Hey.
You can block me all you want. You know they don't want to see me anyways. You don't want to see.
Me? Yeah, it's the other style. I'm just the, how they call it, the, you know, it's time when you have a little guest.
My co-host.
Yeah, I'm a little host.
You're a little ghost.
Yeah, I'm a little ghost too. I'm a ghost host. Host ghost. Whatever order it is. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. And
Why are you telling them good
especially
morning, good afternoon
good
again?
evening. Because you don't know what time they're watching. Good evening guys. It's the end of the day. Whew, I'm making another day with this woman beside me. Thank you Lord. I made it. Oh yeah, that wasn't an easy one. I mean, you have some easy one, you have some hard one. This one it was challenge. She gave me a lot of trouble today, but I made it. I'm proud of myself, and we almost going to celebrate what 8 years of wedding. I want 1 month, a little bit more than
That's how you manage.
I really don't know.
All of 8 years, boy, you're good.
It's already 8 years.
Already 10 years with you, 8 years marriage.
Wow.
Wow. That's a whole lot of what?
Respect.
That's a whole lot of respect for you, Ludo.
2 kids and 8 years after.
And you know my dates.
I'm still
You're
alive.
doing good.
Yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you're all doing good. Tomorrow is back to school for Tyler. So we kind of go back to our little routine.
You guys, the soup was bomb.
Ah, no. I like the
More
liquid.
dumpling.
But it was different than usually. It was less flavor.
Really?
Yeah, usually maybe you put more bouillon or anything. So, but it was good. I really liked the soup. I really like the liquid. I'm not a big fan of catching all of this.
He can't be, but even when the chicken have bone, be mad.
Yeah, sorry, that's just me.
Like you have to cook soup with bone so it extract all that flavor.
I don't like when I'm taking the thing and I have to spit out because I have some.
Oh my gosh, you're a mess.
It makes me not enjoying the way I want to enjoy. It's just me.
Babe just want chicken breast and he'll be
Oh
good.
yeah, I love.
Give him chicken breast and he'll be the happiest man. Give him any other part of the chicken. That's why when I took him to Hellshire when I'm in Jamaica, I have to look after his fish. I have to pick out every bone out.
No. Take this back out. I
Babe.
know how to cut my fish
Babe.
and how to eat my fish. The only
When
thing
I
you
go to
take away.
Hellshire,
No,
I
you
don't
just.
help you to take out your bone out of the
No.
fish.
No.
I can't believe he's saying that. What a man wicked.
No. I can't believe she said that. I mean, I take care of my bones. I take care of my fish. The fish is okay. You just know how to. So no, it's
and
fine.
it's me teaching him how to eat fish with bone.
Yes, I can say that. This one I give it to her, but not the
Me
other one.
still help you take out your bone out your fish. Move.
My name is not
it.
Tyler. My name
Admit
is.
it.
I'm not Tyler.
Admit it.
No, I don't lie.
Anyway, you guys, I'm not gonna stay here and debate with this man.
Yeah, she need to go to bed. It's her
I
time.
am
It's her
falling
bedtime. She's
asleep.
starting to say crap. So, if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to thumbs up, to like, to
Subscribe.
to give the thumbs up and the like together. So that's 2 like. Yes, they can do that. A thumbs up and a like.
It's the same thing.
To subscribe, to turn on the notification, to catch up and to keep up.
Yes.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.